Already hit the birthday change limit on Snapchat? Don't worry, you can still update it. Here's how to change your birthday even after Snapchat blocks you. First, open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left. Then, hit the gear icon in the top right to access settings. Tap on birthday. If it still lets you edit it, you haven't hit the limit yet. Just update and tap continue. But if you have reached the limit, here's the workaround. Go back to settings, scroll down to support and tap I need help. Then tap contact us. Now choose I need help with the Snapchat feature. Scroll to profiles and communities. Select my profile. Then tap still need help. Now fill in your username, email and explain that you need to change your birthday to your real one. Mention that you're willing to verify your identity. Snapchat might ask for a photo ID like your passport or driver's license to prove your correct birth date. Once verified, they'll manually change it for you. And that's it. This is the only official way to change your birthday after reaching the limit. Share this with a friend who needs it and subscribe for more hidden Snapchat fixes.